morning po. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world. Now, mother is washing the dishes. If you are a mother, it's non-stop work in the house. It means walang katapusan ang trabaho sa bahay. Di ba mga mamshi? Kaway-kaway sa mga mother dyan. Walang katapusan talaga ang paggawaing bahay. Especially if you have a toddler, need to get ready from the school, wake up early, cooking, ready the food, etc. etc. Now, washing the dishes. Kumusta lahat? How are you all? Kumusta po? Hopefully, you are doing good. Mabuti lahat. So far, yung sister ko, so far she is okay. She's still in the recovery. Sometimes there is pain, but hopefully God, no more pain so that she can heal quickly. She can become okay. We talk to her and then sometimes there is paining in her. That the one ovary, no, in the tummy, yung sa tummy. Minsan daw sumasakit. Pero, meron naman siyang gamot. Binibigay ng doktor. Doctor giving the medicine. Ay nako, life is very good. Hopefully, she will become okay soon. That's our prayer always for her. That she will become okay soon. Now, I'm alone in the house because my baby go to school. And then my husband is work. Now I'm here alone washing the dishes. After that, I'm doing also the... See, I will show you mga guys. While I'm washing, I make it ready for my wash. Kapra. See, look. Mother working. I put first with the soap. The rest I already hung. See, it's very sunny. Here in Nepal, oh my God, too much hot. Now it's already summer. See, this is my view. Too much sunny outside. Now almost done. It's dry already. Now this is the second batch. Second batch for washing. I will continue. While washing, I do first the dishes. See, this is our from outside. Now I still continue for my washing. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.